The US and China are at war, not with weapons this time, with AI, and Mark Zuckerberg is right at the center of it. For the past 4 years, OpenAI has been leading the AI wave, rolling out breakthrough after breakthrough, from text to images to full-blown AI agents. Meanwhile, Mark Zuckerberg and Meta, they've looked like they're playing catch-up. The metaverse hype faded. VR didn't take off the way people expected, and compared to other tech giants, Meta hasn't really had a clear AI win. So he did what any billionaire does when he's losing. He tried to buy the AI that was quietly beating GPT and Claude for a whopping 17,000 crores. But there was one problem. The tool, called Manus AI, was built by a Chinese company. And China being China, they weren't having it. For them, this isn't just another chatbot. It's proof that China can win the AI race. And they were not about to hand that over to Silicon Valley. So they blocked the deal. They didn't let Zuckerberg buy it. We don't know where this ends up, but what we do know is that this tool is available right now. And we wanted to explore it to see what all the hype is about. So you may be wondering, what exactly is Manus AI? Think of it as deep research, Lovable, and Claude co-work, all rolled into one. It's not just a chatbot, it's an incredible agent, and it's widely considered better than anything OpenAI or Anthropic has put out so far. Zuck couldn't buy it, but we can use it. So let's dive in and give it a try. Hi, I'm Vaibhav. I run 3 AI companies and train people across 150 plus countries. I have studied AI thoroughly and now want to teach you how to leverage it and become successful. I also have a free WhatsApp community where I share tools, tips, and tricks. So if that interests you, you can click on the link in the description. Quick context for 30 seconds. If you have been using ChatGPT or Claude, this is going to make a lot more sense. Every other AI tool you have ever used works the same way. You type something, it types back, and then you go and do the actual work yourself. ChatGPT is like the smart friend you ask for advice. Manus is the employee you actually hire to do the job. It opens browsers, fills forms, writes emails, builds apps, hands you finished work. Once you see it happen, the AI tool you are using today starts to feel kind of slow. Use case 1 of 6, and I want you to look at this very carefully. That is a real cursor on a real Amazon page, and there is nobody at the keyboard. So here is what is happening. Manus has a Chrome extension called Browser Operator. You install it once, you give it permissions, and from that point, Manus can use your actual browser, logged into your accounts. Anything you can do in your browser yourself, Manus can do too. Quick install, Chrome Web Store, click add, click authorize, done. Now, let me give it a real task. I tell it, go to Amazon India, find me a wireless mouse under 2,000 rupees with at least 4-star ratings, compare the top 3 options, add the best one to my cart, and stop right before payment so I can review it. That is the entire prompt. Just like talking to a person, and look at this. Manus opens Amazon, types wireless mouse into the search bar, hits enter, scrolls through results, clicks into a Portronix product, reads the reviews, compares prices, adds the one it picks straight to my cart. Nobody touches the keyboard. The first time I saw this happen, I had to pause the screen and rewind it. It feels like science fiction until it is running on your own laptop. Then it hits the Amazon login page and stops. Which is fair. That is the one thing it cannot do for me. So I jump in for 10 seconds, type my number, enter the OTP, and Manus picks up exactly where it left off. And then look at this part. It tries to add the mouse to the cart, hits a random Amazon error page, recognizes something went wrong, clicks back, navigates to the cart, and tries again. Without me saying anything. Old AI gives up at the first error. This one figures it out. Final result. Top 3 mouses compared. The Portronix one in my cart, sitting there waiting for me to approve payment. About 5 minutes total, and the only thing I touched was the OTP. Now think about this. If you spend even 30 minutes a week on browser stuff like this, comparing options, filling forms, doing the manual click-through work, that adds up to 25 hours a year. 25 hours. Manus does it for you while you do something else. And Amazon was just the proof. Same pattern works for Zomato, vendor forms, LinkedIn outreach, anything that lives in a browser. And that was just 1 of 6. 5 more to go. And the biggest one is the last one. Use case 2 of 6. Be honest with me, open your downloads folder right now and just look at it. Because this is what mine looks like. That is the chaos. Bank statements I never opened, screenshots from 6 months ago, PDFs I downloaded for one specific thing and immediately forgot about. I have been telling myself I would clean this up for months, and obviously I never did. So watch what happens when I just hand it over to Manus. I'm going to use the voice button this time. Just talking to it normally. So I say, go through my downloads folder, find every PDF, every invoice, every receipt and bank statement from the last 6 months, rename each one with a clear date and what it is, sort them into category folders, and at the end, give me a tracking spreadsheet with everything, and I just hit send. Look, it scans the folder, identifies all the PDFs hiding in the chaos, writes a Python script on the fly to extract metadata from each one. Now, this part right here, this is the moment Manus earned my trust completely. The Python script breaks, syntax error. A normal AI would give up here or keep failing the same way. But Manus reads the error message, decides Python is wrong for this job, and switches to direct shell commands instead. By itself, I did not say a single word. That right there is the moment most AI tools fall apart the second something does not go to plan. This one diagnosed its own problem in real time and changed strategies on the fly. And this is what it gives me back. 23 PDFs sorted into 6 categories: educational, travel, personal, resume, job, technical. Every single file renamed with its date, and a tracking spreadsheet at the end. The mess that was sitting in my downloads folder for 6 months gone in about 10 minutes. Either way, Manus does this kind of cleanup whenever you ask it to. Use case 3 of 6. That right there is a complete media buying analysis report, generated automatically by Manus. This next demo is specifically for the founders watching, because it might be the most useful one in the entire video. Most founders I know run meta ads, Facebook, Instagram, the whole thing. And most of them open Ads Manager, see a wall of numbers, and either keep spending blindly or panic and pause everything. So what if Manus could be your full-time media analyst sitting at your shoulder every single day? You connect once, click connect, log into Facebook, give it permissions. Setup done. Here is what I tell it. Pull all my active meta campaigns from the last 7 days, give me spend, CTR, CPC, conversions, ROAS, then tell me which ones to scale, which ones to pause, which creatives are working, and what my top 3 next moves should be. That is it. Just describing what I want. First thing it does is ask permission. Shows me all my ad accounts and asks which ones to analyze. Privacy by default. I tell it to run all 11. Now it is working through every campaign across every account, pulling spend numbers, conversions, cost per conversion, the whole thing. Now this is what comes back, a full PDF report. But the magic is, it does not just dump numbers at you. It tells you things like, scale this campaign because your ROAS is healthy. Pause this one because your cost per conversion is 4 times your average. Here are your top 3 moves to make this week. That is actual analyst work, not data, decisions. And this is the move I want you to steal from me. Combine this with Manus scheduled tasks. Set it up so that every morning at 9 a.m., Manus checks all your campaigns automatically. If a cost per conversion jumps 30% or anything spent over 2,000 rupees with 0 conversions, it pings you on Telegram. So you wake up to either everything is healthy or pause this one. Here is exactly why. So now put a number on this one. A freelance media buyer in India charges anywhere from 20 to 50,000 rupees a month to do exactly this kind of monitoring and analysis. You still need a human in the loop for the strategic calls, but the daily reporting, the alerts, the heavy lifting replaced. And one quick reminder, that bonus feature I told you about at the start of the video. It is bigger than every demo we have seen so far. Just keep it in mind. Use case 4 of 6. That right there is every single place I was tagged on Slack in the last 2 days, pulled together by Manus in under a minute. This one is for anyone who runs a team. The first 3 demos were all about doing things faster. This one is completely different. It is about never missing anything. Because if you have ever come back from a long weekend and opened Slack and just felt your soul leave your body, this is for you. So I have already connected Manus to my Slack, and I just type now that we are connected to Slack. Give me a list of every channel where I was tagged, who tagged me, what the message was, and pull everything from the last 2 days. That is the entire prompt. And it goes through Slack over 200 channels. I am part of searching every message from the last 2 days for anywhere I was tagged across the entire workspace. And this is what comes back. A clean table with every channel, every tag, the exact message and the time it was sent. 2 days of Slack chaos summarized for me in 30 seconds. I do not have to scroll, I do not have to scan, I just look at this list and decide what actually needs a reply from me. And the math here is completely different from the other demos. This is not about saving money, this is about saving the worst part of being a manager. Catching up on Slack after 1 day off is 30 to 60 minutes for most people. After a long weekend, it is 2 hours of inbox style anxiety just trying to figure out what you missed. Manus reads it for you in 1 minute and tells you only what needs action. That is your morning back. Your weekend back, the pain this removes is not financial, it is emotional, and that is the bigger win. And what comes next is the demo where this tool does something nothing else on the planet can actually do. Use case 5 of 6. Just watch the row count climbing on this screen. Each row is one influencer, and each row is being researched by its own dedicated AI agent. Imagine you are running an influencer marketing campaign for a fitness brand. You need 200 creators with their stats, niches, and cities. Doing this by hand is days of work, the kind of soul-crushing job nobody actually wants to do. Watch what Manus does with it. So I tell it, find me 200 fitness and wellness influencers in India on Instagram and YouTube, and for each one, give me name, platform, follower count, niche, city. Sort by relevance. That is the prompt. Hit enter. Now look at this. It opens a cloud browser, hits the influencer databases, Modash, FeedSpot, all the usual ones, and pulls data in parallel. Multiple research agents running all at once. This part right here is what nothing else does. Not ChatGPT, not Claude, not Gemini. Nothing else can run 200 research projects in parallel like this. Then it switches modes completely from browsing into data engineering, writes Python scripts to clean and validate everything, makes sure there are exactly 200 unique entries the way I asked, and this is the final spreadsheet. 200 rows. Row 1, full data. Row 100, full data. Row 200, same level of detail. About 30 minutes from prompt to delivery. This one is easy to put a number on. A junior marketing analyst doing this kind of creator scraping for you full time in India is 25 to 40,000 rupees a month. Manus does that job in 30 minutes per campaign with no minimum hours and no notice period. Okay, real quick, honest take before the last big demo. The one that broke me when I first saw it. Manus is not perfect. The mobile apps it builds are functional, not award-winning. Sometimes a task fails halfway through and you have to rerun it. For complex enterprise coding, you still want a real developer in the loop. But notice what is happening across these demos. The AI tool you are using today answers questions. This one delivers finished work. The tool you are using today handles one task at a time. This one runs 200 at a time. That is the difference between a chatbot and an actual employee. And once you see it, you cannot unsee it. The AI you have been paying for starts to feel kind of useless. Real quick, if you want to know what the Indian government just told 80 lakh tech workers about the next 5 years of AI, I made a full video on that. Link is in the top right corner of your screen. Use case 6 of 6, the last big one. That right there is a working mobile app built by Manus from a single prompt. Now, I want you to think about something. If you wanted to build a simple app for your business or for a side project, what does that normally look like? You find a developer. They quote you somewhere between 2 and 10 lakh, depending on complexity. You wait 2 to 6 months. There are bugs, delays, scope creep. Most people give up before the thing ships. So watch what happens when I do this with Manus. So I open a new task and I type, build me a mobile app for client onboarding. I want a welcome screen with my company logo, a step-by-step form for clients to fill in their business details, goals, team size, budget, a document upload section, a progress tracker, a FAQ page. Clean professional design, dark navy and white. That is the entire spec. It scaffolds the project in React Native, exactly what real developers use to build cross-platform apps. Then it generates a logo for me using Nano Banana Pro, white X on a black square with the word acquisition on it. I never asked for a logo. It just knew the app needed one. Now it is writing all the actual code, the screens, form fields, navigation between pages, state management, all the things I never specified because Manus already knows what a good onboarding app should have. This is the working preview right inside Manus. I click through it, start onboarding, business details, goals, team size, document upload, all of it functional, all of it built from one prompt. And this is the part that broke me. I can put this app on my actual phone right now. For Android, Manus gives me an APK file, download, install, done. For iPhone, I scan an Expo Go QR code, a working app preview on my real phone in under 20 minutes. To be fair, this is not a polished production app, but it is a real functional prototype, and that distinction has never existed before. And the math here is the biggest of the entire video. A developer for a simple onboarding app like this is 2 to 10 lakh per build. 2 to 6 months minimum from start to finish. Manus did it in 20 minutes. I am not even going to do the percentage on that one. You can see what is happening. Okay, that is 6 demos, 6 things nothing else in your AI stack can do. But I promised you one more, the one I told you to wait for. So here it is, the part of Manus almost nobody is talking about. The thing that turned this whole product from a tool I open at my desk into something that lives with me everywhere I go. Manus connects directly to Telegram, and that right there is a 6-page research report with citations, delivered straight to my phone. From a one-line voice note while I was walking somewhere else entirely, 60 seconds to set up. Scan a QR code, link your account, done. Now you can message Manus from your phone exactly the way you would message a friend. One voice note, research OpenAI. Their funding, their team, recent news. That is all I said. And a few minutes later, this lands in my Telegram. 6 pages, funding rounds, leadership, products, recent news. Every claim cited. From one voice note while I was doing something else entirely. And this is what changed everything for me. Walking to my car, research this company before my 3 p.m. meeting. In a cab, draft a reply to that client email. After a meeting, take a photo of the whiteboard, send it, and say turn this into a project plan with action items. By the time I am back at my desk, all of it is done. This is what nobody talks about. Not the Amazon thing, not the apps. Those are cool. Those are the demos that go viral. But this, having an actual employee in your pocket that takes voice notes and delivers finished work back, this is the part that actually changes how you live, not just how you work. Add up everything we just walked through, all of that for around 3,300 rupees a month, less than a nice dinner out. Link is in the description, and there is a free plan if you just want to test it first. Quick thing for the founders watching. Me and my team actually run corporate AI trainings. We have been brought in by Adobe, Razorpay, Uber, and a bunch of others to train their teams on exactly this kind of stuff. So if you are running a company and you want the same kind of session for your people, the email is in the description. Just write to us. And one more reminder on the WhatsApp community. The prompts I had to cut, the credit saving tricks, the workflows I run every week. Link is in the description. Get in before you forget. Quick question for you. The next video I want to make is one where I chain a bunch of these Manus tasks together. Your morning routine, content pipeline, client follow-ups, all running on autopilot while you sleep. So tell me, do you actually want me to make that video? Drop a yes in the comments if you do, and I will go build it. And one last thing, every video on this channel is made using an AI workflow. Same kind of agent, thinking you just spent 20 minutes watching. Hit subscribe so you do not miss it when it drops.